Hey, mean Matt here. There we go. Hey, mean Matt here. 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 So, I'm watching one of my subscribers, and I wasn't informed of this. I didn't know. Although I try not to do political videos, although sometimes I do. And it appears that our Prime Minister is now gonna ban guns shortly. Now, this is a devil's advocate that I am. You know, and I'm thinking about it, and I'm going, okay, wait. So, on one hand, it's, you know, bad because it's people's right to own a handgun. You know, people do. That's what they do. They own guns. Sometimes they go to target practices. They do whatever. Okay, that's fine. You know, and I hear all this shit about Toronto and how Toronto is worse for guns and murder and all that kind of shit. So I automatically go, well, I don't want violence like that. And you know, I make videos like that. I've made videos before. I think handguns or any guns are dangerous in the wrong hands. Now, to say, well, let's ban all guns, well, yeah, that would be unfair, but how do you know who's in the right frame of mind? Because you get people going, well, yeah, but we want protection in case somebody goes, okay, so you want to have protection. You want a gun in case somebody shoots at you. So you could shoot at that person. Okay. That's not something that I think is very cool. I just don't. I think guns should be for the police. And I think the law, basically. Because I get it. You want to defend yourself in case you're attacked. Now, I live in Peterborough. It's not that bad. Honestly, I would rather live here than Toronto. But my biggest concern, I guess, is what next? I used to make that joke. No guns, only knives. And it's like, I don't know what to say. Because would that mean no more shootings, no more drive-bys, no more violence? I don't know. That really doesn't change anything. I don't know if it will. It might. I wish that if this does happen, we see what happens in the near future. Yet, a lot of people are down, not happy with Trudeau, and I get it, but I don't see a problem with this. Really. Less guns, in my opinion, mean less violence. Yeah, and there's gonna be a lot of shit on my comment status, I'm pretty sure. But that's my opinion, and that's like they say, opinions are like assholes. Everyone's got one. So, anyways, talk to you later. Bye.